Welcome to Practice Easy English. 50 adjective words spoken in English conversation. Tall. How tall is your brother? He's quite tall, about 6 feet. Short. Is she short or tall? She's short, only about 5 feet. Beautiful. Do you think this place is beautiful? Yes, it's absolutely beautiful. Ugly. Is that painting nice or ugly? Honestly, it's quite ugly. Smart. Is she a smart student? Yes, she's very smart and gets good grades. Stupid. Do you think he is stupid? Absolutely, he is stupid. Funny. Was the comedian funny last night? Yes, he was hilarious. Serious. Are you serious about this decision? Absolutely, I'm very serious. Kind. Is he a kind person? Yes, he's very kind and always helps others. Mean. Why was she so mean to you? I have no idea. She's usually nice. Fast. Is that car fast? Yes, it's incredibly fast. Slow. Is the internet connection slow? Yes, it's painfully slow today. Old. Is that house old or new? It's quite old, built in the 1800s. New. Did you get a new car? Yes, I just bought a new one. Hot. Is the weather hot today? Yes, it's scorching hot. Cold. How's the water outside? It's freezing cold. Expensive. Do you like those shoes? Yes, but they're too expensive. Cheap. Did you buy the cheap or the expensive one? I went for the cheap option. Clean. Is the house clean now? Yes, I just finished cleaning it. Dirty. Why are your hands so dirty? I was gardening earlier. Easy. Was the test easy? Yes, it was surprisingly easy. Difficult. Why is this math problem so difficult? I'm not sure. It's challenging. Good. Is the food at this restaurant good? Yes, it's really good. Bad. How was your day? It was bad. Everything went wrong. Big. Do you have a big house? No, having a big house is my dream. Small. Is your apartment big or small? It's quite small, but cozy. Heavy. Is that box heavy to lift? Yes, it's really heavy. Light. Is this backpack light? Yes, it's very light and easy to carry. Hard. Is this rock hard? Yes, it is very hard. Soft. Is this pillow soft? Yes, it's really soft and comfortable. Loud. Are they being loud next door? Yes, they're having a party. It's very loud. Quiet. Is it quiet in the library? Yes, there is no noise there. Bright. Is the sun bright today? Yes, it's a bright and sunny day. Dark. Why is the room so dark? I haven't turned on the lights yet. Busy. Are you busy right now? Yes, I'm swamped with work. Free. Are you free to chat later? Yes, I'll be free in the evening. Tired. Why do you look so tired? I didn't sleep well last night. Awake. Are you awake yet? Yes, I just woke up. Hungry. Are you hungry for dinner? Yes, I'm starving. Exhausted. Did you complete your homework? No, I'm exhausted. I can't focus right now. Healthy. Is he healthy? Yes, he's very healthy. Sick. You look sick today? I have a terrible cold. Clean. Did you wash your hands? Yes, I always keep them clean. Dirty. Are those dishes clean or dirty? They're dirty. I haven't washed them yet. Empty. Is the fridge empty? Yes, we need to go grocery shopping. Full. Is the gas tank full? Yes, I just filled it up. Crowded. Is the park crowded today? Yes, it's packed because it's a holiday. Happy. Are you feeling happy today? Yes, I am very happy. Sad. Why do you look so sad? I received some bad news. Unhappy. Are you unhappy with your work? Yes, I am very unhappy with it. It's too stressful.